Dan here for Windows 101. We're here taking a look at the Wagtail High Flyer. This is a revolutionary new tool. It's got a double pivot action. It's going to pivot this way as well as this way. It's an all-in-one tool. It's designed to save time and be more efficient for the window cleaner. This was designed for high-rise work, but I think it's also great for ladder work, pole work, ground work, whatever you're doing. It's got flat edges here for a nice precision cut. It's got this microfiber scrubber that's going to do a great job cleaning the glass. And it's got this lockdown screw so you can adjust how tight you actually want it to pivot. Let's put it on the glass and see how it works. So I can feel right away it's nice and lightweight, but it also feels strong. Just pivot it like that, and I've got the squeegee side. Well, it's really easy to use. It just flows on the glass. This is a real game changer. You're going to be more productive, you're going to be faster. If you're looking to take your window cleaning to the next level, this is going to really serve you well.